Mel Resendiz, and I'm owner of Resendiz Brothers. I'm a flower grower, but I'm trying to stay on the organic side, and we're trying to kind of stay away from chemicals. I haven't used any pesticides. It's 100% clean.
I feel very blessed that I can have a job that I'm working and selling things that bring people joy and happiness.
You don't like what you do, and why you bother? So I love growing flowers.
And truly, I feel like the types of flowers and arrangements that we work with and make are exceptional. It's very unique and different.
I own 220 acres, 90% are planted.
It should be known for the protea capital of the United States because we grow the most beautiful proteas in this country. I made it my mission to educate not only the community but the floral industry as a whole about these types of flowers.
I'm proud about what I did, and I have people that they kind of look at me as a sample that things can be done, but you need to do what you like to do.